Hello, my name's Philip and this is Uwe.
Hello.
And today we're going to look at buying centers. So this is module 3 of Boost Your Business program. Okay, Uwe, could you explain the term buying center?
Yes, in the customer's organization, the buying center consists of all the persons, managers, employees, everybody who's involved directly or indirectly in a decision-making process to make a major investment or to change something in an organization.
Okay, so should you know these people?
Oh well, a buying center can be pretty complex, right? But what we recommend is to have at least a clear vision about their roles.
Roles? Could you explain? Could you tell us more about the roles?
Like who makes the decision in the end? Who approves of the decision? Who uses the products or the services that you sell to an organization? Who influences the decision process? You see, quite a number of roles, and it is very important to know these.
There's quite a few aspects. So why is this important?
Very simple, to avoid spending time with the wrong people who are not making the final decision then actually. Waste your time.
Wasting your time.
Yeah.
Would you need to know any further information about the buying center?
Yeah, we strongly recommend to have an idea of the level of support that you that you get from them, their level of influence, for instance, your contact frequency. So quite a number of aspects that we recommend to get to know.
And how would you find out about that?
Well, mainly by communicating. Talking to people in the organization.
In a foreign language as well.
In a foreign language, exactly. Interviewing people, probing, cross-checking with other people. And so this requires an appropriate command of the English language.
Yeah. And how could they learn that?
Well, it's in our program, isn't it?
Of course.
That's what we do, isn't it?
Boost your business.
Exactly.
So they should if anyone interested in our program, Boost Your Business, should contact us. So Uwe, thank you for telling us about the buying center.
Thank you.
And hopefully check out the 4th module, which is negotiation techniques. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you next time.